Tahmir Smalls is set to go down against Abel Ramos. Tahmir Smalls is having more success recently, and the fella is undefeated 16-0, 26 years of age. He defeated Jose Roman, Clarence Booth, Nicky Vascon, Luis Alberto Veron, Sean Martin. On the other side, Abel Ramos, having a record 28-6-3. This fella is 34 years old, super experienced, 5'9", 69 inches of reach out of Casagrande. He destroyed Juan Ramon Guzman, lost to Cody Crowley, Luke Santamaria, Jordanis Sugas, defeated Omar Figueroa Jr., Brian Perella, Jamie Williams. He was winning easier opponents, but whenever he was fighting hard opponents, he was losing decision, and it was super hard to knock him out. I'm gonna say over 8.5. Now, if you're asking me for a side call, I really give it 50-50. I have to give very slight advantage to Tahmir Smalls, but I'm not gonna be surprised if Abel wins.